Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 12 students and the topic of discussion is application of integrals. In this video, we'll be focusing on solutions to previous year questions which have come in NCERT or CBSE exams. In the first problem, a woman discovered a scratch along a straight line on a circular tabletop of radius 8 cm. So this is a circular tabletop of radius 8 cm. So this is 8. She divided the tabletop into 4 quadrants. So these are 4 quadrants. Discovered the scratch passing through the origin and inclined at an angle pi by 4 anti-clockwise along the positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction and it is an angle, scratch is an angle at pi by 4, 45 degree and passing through the origin. So that is the line y equal to x. This is the line y equal to x. Now we need to find the area of the region enclosed by the x-axis. This is x-axis, the scratch, this is the scratch line, and the circular tabletop. This is the circular tabletop. So we need to find this full area. So we can divide it into two parts. One by this line y equal to x and another by this circular tabletop. So two areas we need to find. One on this, one on this side. So how do we do it? So we can write this area of circle will be x square plus y square equal to 64, 8 square, the radius is given, and x is equal to y at this point. Let this point be A. So this point is x equal to y. So we can substitute here x equal to y. So we will get 2y square equal to 64 or y equal to implies y equal to 4 root 2 and also x will be equal to 4 root 2 because x equal to y. So this a coordinate, this coordinate will be 4 root 2 and 4 root 2. So we got the coordinate. So we will find the area. There are two areas. One is the first, this area. This area we will find it out. That is 0 to 4 root 2. Correct? 0 to 4 root 2. Y dx is x dx, y is equal to x plus 4 root 2 to 8. Next will be 4 root 2 integral 4 root 2 to 8. Correct? And here y will be 64 minus x square square root 64 minus x square square root y dx. So this is the another area. If we add these two, we will get the answer. So x dx integral is x square by 2 0 to 4 root 2. This is of the form a square minus x square. A is 8 here. So what is the integral of that? X by 2 plus x by 2 square root of 64 minus x square plus a square by 2 plus 64 by 2 sine inverse x by 8 from the limit 4 root 2 to 8. If we substitute this limit, we will get answer as this will be 16 plus this will be 8 pi minus 16. This terms will be 8 pi minus 16. So this will give answer as 8 pi. So in this problem we need to find the area of the ellipse. Let us draw the ellipse. This is the ellipse. This will be A0, this will be 0b coordinate, and from minus a by 2, this is minus a by 2, x equal to minus a by 2. Similarly this will be x equal to a by 2 and this will be the area. And we can, from this we can get y as b by a square root of a square minus x square. We can write this from his. So area will be 4 times, there are 4 coordinates, so 4 times 0 to a. This is first, then similarly we can add in the 4 quadrants. So 4 0 to a, 4 times 0 to a, y dx, but y is b by a square root of a square minus x square dx. Now this integral we know the standard form. This will be 4b by a, 0 to a. What is the integral of this? X by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, 0 to a. So if we substitute a here first, this will be 0. Sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. And this will be a square by 2. We can solve. Similarly, when we put 0, this term will be 0. And a by a, 0 by a will be 0. So sine inverse 0 will be 0. So when we put lower limit 0, this term will be 0. So we can write 4b by a. And when we put a, it will be root 3 by 2. 4b by a, sorry, a by 4. Root 3 a by 2. Plus a square by 2. We are writing this as it is. Pi by 6. Since we have written 4 times, then this will be a by 2 only, 0 to a by 2. So this region we are computing. This will be 0 to a by 2, I am sorry. So this will be pi by 6. When you put a by 2 here, it will be sine inverse half, which is pi by 6, 30 degrees. So on solving this, we can get AB root 3 by 2 plus pi by 3. So this is the final answer. So in this problem, we need to find the area of the region enclosed by y equal to minus x square. So y equal to minus x square is curve like this. On the negative side of the x-axis, this is the x-axis. And from the region minus 3, x equal to minus 3 is a line parallel to y-axis, and x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. This is y equal to 0 line, x-axis itself. So this area we need to compute. Since it is below the y-axis or below the x-axis, area will be y dx, mod y dx. So, and it will be from region minus 3 to 2. So this will be equal to minus 3 to 2 x square dx. So this will be x cube by 3 dx, x cube by 3, and limit from minus 3 to 2. So if you put 2 here, it will be 8 by 3. If you put minus 3 here, minus 27 plus 27 by 3 equal to 35 by 3. In this problem, we need to find the area bounded by this curve. So whenever mod is there, we can write this as y equal to, this function can be written as 1 plus x plus 1 when x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to minus 1. Similarly, this will be 1 minus x plus 1 for x less than minus 1. 1 is the critical point. So this can be further written as this, y can be further written as 2 plus x when x greater than or equal to minus 1, and this will be minus x. This we are writing 1 minus 1 will be 0, minus x will be remaining, x less than minus 1. So we can draw this function. So x equal to minus 1 is the critical point. This is minus 1. So this area will be like this. From minus 1, we need to find from minus 2 to 2. So this will be minus 2. And then this will be, this is x-axis, and this will be x equal to 2, x equal to 2, this is x equal to minus 2. So this area we are looking for. So we can divide it into two parts. Minus 1 is the critical point, so we can write area from minus 2 to minus 1. First we'll write minus 2 to minus 1. Here x is less than minus 1, so we'll be using this equation, minus x dx, then minus 1 to 2 plus minus 1 to 2. What is the equation here when x is greater than or equal to minus 1? 2 plus x. 2 plus x dx. So this will be minus x square by 2, minus 2 to minus 1, then plus 2x plus x square by 2 minus 1 to 2. So on simplifying we will get this as 3 by 2 plus 15 by 2 equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9 square units. So this is the final answer. So this we want to find the area. This is the area we want to find. This is y equal to root x at x equal to 4. We want to find this area. So we can easily do it. So area equal to y dx 0 to 4. But y is square root of x, x power half, 0 to 4 dx. So integral is x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. So 0 to 4 equal to 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. 0 to 4, when we put it, we will get the solution 16 by 3. In this problem, we need to find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse and the x-axis. So this is the ellipse, and the ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square. So a will be 3, this is a square, b will be 2. So this will be 3, 0, this will be 0, 2. So we need to find the area. So we can find this quadrant and then multiply by 2 to get this also. They are symmetric. So area will be equal to 0 to 3 y dx into 2 times. Y can be derived from here. We can get y equal to 2 by 3 square root of 9 minus x square. If we solve this, we get y as this quantity. We will substitute here. So 2 into 2 by 3 integral 0 to 3 square root of 9 minus x square. We know this is of the form a square minus x square. So this will be, a is 3 here. So this integral will be 4 by 3. So this will be x by 2. X by 2 9 minus x square plus a square by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, 0 to 3. If we put these limits, we get the answer as 3 pi. In this problem, we need to find the area of the region bounded by the line. So we will draw the line like this. This is line y equal to 5x plus 2. The x-axis and the ordinates minus 2 and 2. This is minus 2. X equal to minus 2. So this area and x equal to 2. So this area we need to find and add up. So but we need to get this point. So this, at this point y is 0. At x-axis y is 0. So we will put it here. 0 equal to 5x plus 2. X equal to minus 2 by 5. So the area, this point is minus 2 by 5, 0. This point. So we will find the area as minus 2 to minus 2 by 5. Y dx. Y is 5x plus 2 dx plus integral this area. which is from minus 2 by 5 to minus 2 by 5 to 2. Up to 2 we have to do. Y dx, again 5x plus 2 dx. So what is the integral of 5x? 5x square by 2 plus 2x minus 2 to minus 2 by 5 plus again this is 5x square by 2 plus 2x minus 2 by 5 to 2. So this is equal to, solving this is equal to 104 by 5. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you quickly. Thank you very much, friends.